My name is Jeremiah Karpowitz. We are at Commercial UAV Expo 2019. I'm over at the UAvita booth with Yuri. Yuri, how are you?
Hey, I'm good. How are you? We're excited to be here.
Very glad to hear that. So tell us a little bit about the product, the amazing products that you're showcasing to attendees here.
Yeah, that's the biggest fixed wing drone on the floor today on this expo. So we're super excited to be here because this is our first UAV expo in US. We brought it all the way from the Canada, and this is the heavy payload fixed wing drone for the long range, flight time operations and flight missions.
And what sort of applications do you envision, or is this product being used in?
Yeah, so we're looking into the cross-industry applications from agriculture to energy, including oil and gas, pipeline monitoring, power line monitoring, infrastructure like highway patrolling, border patrolling, search and rescue operations. We, of course, started somewhere, so we have experience in agriculture, in agriculture sector with crop dusting, and this specifically a unit with the payload for crop spraying, for the ultra low volume spraying. We also have the crop scouting workload. We have the platform for integrating the camera for taking pictures of the crop health. And then we partner with the company Taranis for analyzing those images and advising the farmers what's going on in their field, what kind of weeds, insects, or diseases on the fields, and also what to do with that, what kind of pesticides, micronutrient supply to help crop to grow.
And in some ways, is this kind of a middle ground between a small SUAS and a helicopter? Does it kind of fit in that area in terms of usage?
Yeah. So in terms of the sizes and the categories, we're in the category B. So that's the medium-sized UAV systems. Of course, the majority of the modern UAVs are in the smaller category. As you can see from the exhibitors here, those are under 25 kilograms of the total weight. This is obviously a bigger one. So we are looking into the applications that takes long time, long range, and obviously also beyond visual line of sight.
Yeah. And so, I mean, you can see this product creating some real opportunities in these spaces, because in a lot of ways something like this hasn't been available previously. They either had to go one or the other.
Yeah, exactly. So we see that from the expo and the attention that we've got, it's obviously there is a demand on the market for that. We're bringing the combination of the manned aircraft technologies. My engineering team back in Ukraine, they are from the manned aviation, designing the all aerodynamics and durability of this aircraft, using all the manned aviation practices. And we're also combining the unmanned technologies in here with the sensors, servos, autopilots. So we're using the best of the both worlds and combining it into this piece of technology.
Beautiful. So if somebody wants to figure out kind of how this could fit into their workflow, or learn more to see where it could work for them, what's their best way to gather more info or to connect with you folks?
Yeah, so please refer to our website, uavita.com. There is a bunch of information. We're also on the Instagram, and please also reach out to us on the email, so we'll be responding to every inquiry from every customer.
Thank you, Yuri.
Thank you so much.